Are you concerned about privacy and the security of your personal information when using the MacBook Pro in public places? We have here the Screen Privacy and Protection Foil for MacBook Pro from Mamol, which they've kindly sent to us to check out. This is the ultimate solution to keep your information from prying eyes while protecting your device screen as well. In this video, I'll give you a close-up look at Mamol's foil, its easy installation process, and demonstrate how it works to keep your information safe. Don't compromise on privacy and security. If you want to check it out, go to mamol.shop or check out the link in the description below. Let's take it out now. Nice, so that's how it comes. Professional screen protector. Let's take everything out. We have a cloth and something here. Then we have alcohol prep pad. Then that's how it looks. And this is the installation method. And that's the foil. Really is secure in this thing. It keeps it nice. Let's install it. So I must say first, I know what these small things are for. So when you close the lid and you have the foil on, it will stay like slightly open, not too much, but you know, from closing it and opening for so many times, because it's a magnetic strip and it only like attaches on top, the corners might just, so you'll add these small things on the corners so it stays stuck there. Like I said, it's magnetic, so it has a magnetic strip. You don't need to like stick it on your screen and make it sticky and stuff when you need to take it off. I'll show you how to install it. So you take this cloth out, don't forget about this, keep them safe, clean the screen. Another thing that this foil has, I already have a camera hacker protection because I like my privacy. If you have this foil, it already has a camera slider, so you don't need another one, so I'll have to take mine out and of course clean the area. And now let's take the foil out. I like to take it from the top so I don't leave any marks on it, hopefully. So as you can see, slider on top. If you don't know on which side, the slider has like a small thing, if you can see, right on there where you can like put your nail and close it and open it. And on the other side you can't do that.
Where's the subscribe button?
That's the side that goes on the screen, just like that. It's that easy. It just stays there. You know, you can easily take it off. You just grab it from the corner and that's it. And then you put it back. Really nice and easy and fast. I really like that it has this cover because now I don't need the extra thing here. Having this for quite a while, for a couple of years. So I can use this one now. And this protects you from, like, for example, if somebody hacks your laptop, hopefully not, but I mean, just in case, you know, to prevent this, like nobody's gonna see your face, which is really good. And it's good that they have this with the foil as well. Now let's talk a bit about the different angles. You can see everything from the front of the laptop, but if you go on the side, you can see anything now, and on the other side. So this really protects you from people that try to look at your thing. By the way, shameless plug, if you like this wallpaper, it will be down below in the shop really soon. Maybe you're going on a trip and you want to work and you need to do like some documents and things, and these are sensitive, right? You can't let other people look at them. And then you have this foil, which from the sides you can't see anything. Whoever's trying to look at your laptop, they won't see nothing. I do have, like, for the laptop set for night, the light will go yellow and it will have like less blue light, which is bad for you when you want to go to sleep. So this adds another layer of protection for your eyes, and it will stop more of the blue light from coming to your eyes. It will also protect your screen from scratches or anything. When you clean it, you clean your foil. You don't clean your screen and you don't get scratches on the screen or fingers. Or let's also check how it stands when it's closed. It's like really a tiny gap. It looks like it doesn't properly close, but I think it's fine and it will definitely go to sleep. So I really like this foil. It's everything I need. Camera protection, eye protection, information protection, 3-in-1, I could say. If you want to check it out, go to mamol.shop or check the link in the description below. If you're a Mac user who loves gaming, then you should watch How to Xbox Cloud on a Mac Pro with the PS5 DualSense right there. I'll show you how you can play Xbox games on a MacBook Pro with the PS5 DualSense controller and open up a world of gaming options for you.